We are Garba ready. But are you? ત્રણ જ દિવસ માટે ઝેન સ્પેરો has curated this beautiful exhibition here at Gallery 105 જે નહેરુ નગર સર્કલ પાસે છે. 27th, 28th and 29th, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. You can come here and shop from the collection. Collection માં શું છે? They have some beautiful chaniya cholis, dupattas, blouses. They have some original kapdas as well. એમની પાસે જ્વેલરીમાં પણ ઘણા જ બધા ઓપ્શન્સ છે to choose from. They also have footwear and they have some tableware and storage options which can be used for gifting. Again, it's only a 3-day show, today, tomorrow and the day after, 27th, 28th and 29th at Gallery 105 Nehru Nagar Road. Swipe left to see the collection. So this brand is called Craft Carrot. They have some beautiful jewelry options like these over here. They have some nice Afghani jewelry options as well. થોડા fusion pieces જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં પણ options available છે. Ethnic pieces માં તો ઘણા જ બધા options તમને જોવા મળશે. They have something with glass work like this. They have some Hasli options like these over here. Lots of pieces to choose from. કડાસ જોઈતા હોય તો કડામાં options છે. They have some bows as well જે તમે વાળમાં લગાવી શકો છો. They have some scrunchy options like these over here. You can just take a look at all the options that they have over here. This is also another beautiful piece that they have. એમની પાસે ઇયરિંગ્સ તો તમે જુઓ એટલી ઓછી પડે તમને એટલી બધી ઇયરિંગ્સમાં ઓપ્શન્સ એમની પાસે અવેલેબલ છે over here. Lots of different pieces to choose from અને તમારા નવરાત્રી ફિટ્સની જોડે પરફેક્ટલી આ બેસે. They also have some ring options like these over here, something painted as well. They have kadas like these kadas and so Zen Sparrow also has options in chaniyas.
Yes, so we have this chaniya. We have this color. This is cotton silk.
Okay. કેટલા મીટરનો ઘેર છે
આ
આમાં?
12 મીટરનો ઘેર છે.
Okay.
We have this. બધામાં મોસ્ટલી 9 થી 12 મીટરનો ઘેર આવશે.
Okay. ક્રશમાં ઓપ્શન્સ
Yes,
છે.
we have this.
ઓમ્બ્રેમાં.
Ombre. Again we have this ombre. તમે જે પહેર્યું છે એમાં this color we have. We have something in pear.
Okay. Pairsમાં
this
ઓપ્શન્સ
pear.
છે.
We have this white
Whitesમાં.
as well. We have more in cotton printed chaniya.
Okay.
This is as well my favorite. See this.
Okay.
This is the also 10 meter flare. More colors we have.
Okay.
જે બધા જ બ્લાઉઝ પર જશે. We have something in multi color. We have something in blue and kachi. We have
Okay.
this color as well. We have something in this color.
Okay. Something like this.
This is the double color. We have something in black.
અને hand painted માં પણ
Painted.
આવશે. So this brand is Zen Sparrow.
Yes. So we have blouses like this. Something like this in black color. Again we have something in black. We have all the colors.
Okay. અને
Yes.
alterations પણ થઈ જશે.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is the long blouse. What I wear.
લોંગ બ્લાઉઝમાં ખાલી બે જ પીસ બાકી છે
We
in
have
case
something
તમને
like
શોપ
this.
કરવું હોય.
We have something in plain as well.
Okay.
We have something in sleeveless.
Sleeveless.
We have some plus sizes options now available.
Okay.
Yes.
Something
this.
long like this.
We have like this. We have like this something. We have something in kapda.
Okay, so they have all these blouse
Blouses.
options over here. So this brand is called Table and Toes. They have some amazing footwear options available over here. Sizes તમને મળી જશે. And they have something with doctor sore as well. So this is very soft. Okay. Mules માં જોઈતા હોય તો એમાં options છે. If you're looking for something in loafers, so loafers માં પણ છે. If you're looking for some normal sandals, તો એમાં પણ options available છે. They have crochet hair accessories like these over here. They also have some crochet neck pieces that you can wear for Navratri. Emni paase they have more hair accessories like these. They have some bag options over here as well. Lots of footwear options to choose from. And they also have Ektranu tableware. So they have some measuring cups like these. Plates માં options જોઈતી હોય તો plates માં colors and options છે. એમની પાસે storage boxes માં બી ઘણા જ બધા options available છે. And these are all with vegetable dye. You can see અલગ અલગ prints માં options to different sizes to choose from over here. This brand. So then Sparrow also has some amazing dupattas.
Say this. We have this dupattas.
Okay.
This is my favorite red one. We have something in white. Something in vintage.
Vintage.
Then we have bandhani as well. It's a
Bandhani.
pure bandhani.
Okay.
Yes, it's on gaji. See this color as well. Let me show you some this double color as well.
Okay.
See this. We have something in shaded bandhani as well.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. They have more options over here.
Yes.
Something
we have
like this.
This kind of
Hmm.
as well. Patola.
Patola.
Laria.
Hmm.
Something in patchwork.
Hmm.
Something in tissues.
Hmm.
See this. See this.
Okay. અને પ્લેન્સ માં પણ જોઈએ તો પ્લેન માં પણ ઓપ્શન્સ છે. તો કાપડાસમાં બી એમની પાસે ઘણા બધા ઓપ્શન્સ છે.
Short ones.
ઓકે, શોર્ટ વન્સ છે,
See
ગર્લ્સ ને
this?
પણ ચાલે,
Yes.
વિમેન ને પણ ચાલે. ઓકે.
Yes. All the authentic work. एकदम जुनू काम.
ઓલ
Mochi work.
ઓથેન્ટિક કચ્છી કાપડાસ.
Yes. Mochi work. Debaria work કહેવાય આને. Yes. See this.
ઓકે.
Like we have long kapdas. Yes.
ઓકે.
Yes. આની રેન્જ શોર્ટ કપડા 12,500 ના છે.
Okay.
લોંગ વન 16,500 and 18,500.
ઓકે.
Yes. Then we have something in mirror blouses. Yes. We have more options as well.
ઓકે.
Yes.
લાઈક ધીસ.
Before sleeves, something in
Halter
halter
neck
neck.
as well.
Halter neck में बहुत options છે.
Hmm.
Still we have many things. Please visit us.